Well, hello guys. It's been a minute. All right, so you all wanted me to do this for you. So here we are. Okay, I'm gonna show you how you can create let's say animation breakdown. Okay, of the design you just made in Photoshop. Okay, so I'll also show you how you're going to render the video. Okay, so with that said, let's just get going. All right, so the first thing you have to do is to if in case you have groups, you might want to open them up, okay, as you can see here. All right, and then you hold the left click, your right is it left click or right click? Left click, yeah. Hold the left click and then drag to hide all the eyeballs. Okay, very good. Now all we need is the background. It depends on how you want to create yours. Okay, but the next thing you have to do is go to Windows and then go to Timeline. Okay, go to Windows and go to Timeline. Have you seen these three dots here? Say convert to what? Frame animation. So click on that. Now let's just reduce this a little bit. So now here, if you click on this arrow here, you have this time frame. Okay, so let's say 2 seconds, it's okay for me. Okay, so every 2 seconds you're going to do anything. So I'll just click on this to add another frame. So I'll click here, I'll hit here. Okay, now I'll click again, then I'll hit. Sometimes you might want to create duplicate this, so you're going to have to click here and say okay. So this will create like 5 duplicates for you. So you can just click press the space bar to play it. Okay, now that's not what I want, so let me just go back. All right, now I'm going to add another one, so let's just click, then enable it. Okay, click, enable it, click, enable it. All right, so let me just hide this one. I'm going to bring this one here, okay, then I'll go up and bring this one also. Right, I'll go up and I'll bring this one in. Okay, go up, bring this one here also. Okay, this one also. So that's how you're going to do it basically. So it depends. I don't know whether I should stop and fast forward this video so that I don't bore you guys with long talk. Yeah. Alright, so now okay, same side. Alright. Let's go ahead. So you can choose to do anything you want, feel free. So right. You can just close it. Now let's add the color grading aspect to it. And boom. Right, done. So the last one, you want people to know, to see, view it for a long time. So you're going to click on it, maybe you make it 5 seconds. All right. So it depends. You can choose to make some 5 seconds, 0.5 seconds. It depends. Personal preference right here. Okay. So yeah. So let's start from the onset. Sorry. I'll press space bar. So you see that it will be going. It's very beautiful now. So that's what we've managed to create. So the next step here is to go to File and then go to Export. Okay, so Export, you can locate render to video at very lower. You can locate it here. So just click on it. Okay, mind you, I didn't prepare for this video. I have this video in my master code, but I just wanted to do this for you. Okay, yeah. So here you can select a folder, okay, for it. So you can just select a folder for it. So I choose the no, you don't have to select folder. So let me just leave it. So here you're going to select this one, 8.2 blah blah blah. You're going to maintain the document size, okay, and then set it to, maybe at default it is at high quality, okay, but just leave it at what, medium quality for your own SQL, okay. Then I think 30 frames, yeah, everything is perfect now. So you go to what, render, okay, hit on render, and then you wait for it to render. Yes, I think the rendering is complete. So I will just let me just do some magic, and then all right. So I'll go to where I saved it, and then I'll you can see it somewhere here, if I'm not lying. Yes, yeah, there we have. So I'll just double click on it, then yeah, something very, very short. Okay, so it's not even up to 15 seconds though. Yes, 11 seconds, but you can make it as long as you want. Okay guys, good luck. Let me know whether you learned something new. See you.